TE Connectivity's Sliver internal cabled interconnects allow for extended reach, more design freedom, and lower cost for high-speed I/O connections. At the high data rates seen in servers, switches, and storage, exotic PCB materials are required to maintain signal integrity and reduce losses. TE Connectivity's Sliver is a small, high-density cabled interconnect that supports data rates up to 25 gigabits per second with a low-loss cable, and can lower power consumption and cost by eliminating retimers and the use of costly PCB materials. Sliver is available in vertical and right-angle configurations for cabled and card edge connections, supports 85 and 100 ohm applications, and has a flexible pinout that allows for differential pairs and low-speed single-ended sidebands.